no early warning system. There's nothing left to prove. You're a force of nature, strong will and mind. I only try to keep up, baby. Don't wanna be left behind. Tornado, tearing at the ground. Tornado, hurling me around. You got me in a spin. It's us two for the win. Tornado, oh oh, tornado.
Tornado with the Ensign Trials. Oh grief! Am I going to make it with the new tyres? That's a bit of a ride then. He's a good clean, and the stays are on upside down, but not to worry. Let's look around the back. Not actually proposing value, it's done up byways, you know, practical use. Wind's dying down, quick, get on and go. We're going to go in a moment, guys, because oh, here we go again. Oh. Hell's bells. The wind's so bad outside, the mirror's moving. Look, I'm not moving the camera. You can hear, crikey. I hope I'll do alright with my motorcycle. Anyway, it's the Army Surplus store at CNC Motorcycles. It's still here in 10 minutes. So, despite the appallingly high winds, made it back on Tornado. Very impressed. Not much more than a very slight wobble. The tyres are a little unusual, but then I'm used to riding all sorts of old bits of nice things, yes, and old bits of crap as well, so it don't really faze me at all. Yeah, it needs a good wash then. Excellent. Scaly out.